Alright, we're in Tony's shop and we're looking at a walking beam engine. And we're going to get the fellow that built it right here in the frame. Why don't you step in, Tony? Tell us a little bit about your project here.
Well, I started this about 3 years ago. Bought the kit from Dennis Howell in Michigan. And been working on it odd and end times, hot days, cold days, whenever I had some spare time. And I've been working on it about 3 years. And I got another 3-4 months to get the paddles finished and put together, get those assembled, and I'll be through with it.
So what was the hardest part about building this engine?
Kind of hard to say. Probably those pieces right there were the whatever you call it. I don't remember what the proper term was for. But they're a little bit aggravating to make. There's several pieces of it that's kind of aggravating, but nothing impossible. Some of it, the worst part of doing most of it is just a lot of pieces in some of it. A lot of repetitious work.
Now this engine would have been used on a ship circa what?
This 1850s, 60s.
And
Late 1800s, single cylinder, low pressure.
now what was the bore on this?
I think about 8 feet.
8 feet and the stroke?
Neighborhood of 12, depending on the engine, 12, 13, 14 feet.
Therefore,
Depending on the model engine.
therefore the low pressure.
Yeah.
So at some point in the future,
The early engines had copper boilers, so you couldn't run a whole lot of pressure. They run very low pressure.
so at some point in the future, you're going to show this thing. When do you think that'll be?
I'll be through with it this year, maybe.
Okay. So you've still got to build the paddles on either side.
You've got to assemble the paddle. All of the paddle parts are finished. I just got to assemble them and get them painted.
Very cool. Nicely done. So what are you going to build after this?
I've got 2 more engines for Dennis to build. A Joy engine, another one. He's sending what's the thing? Can't even think of it now. In fact, I haven't got it yet. It's a new one that he's put into just getting finished with the fabrics and caskets for.
Very nicely done.
A cordless engine.